Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut on PC. For that, first of all, you need to either open your web browser and search for steampowered.com, or you can even open your Steam Powered launcher and then log in into your account. Once you are on the home page, simply use the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen and search for Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. Now, once you search for it, you will find its link. So you need to just click on it and provide your date of birth and click on the view page option. Then you will see its trailer that will look something like this. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the payment option. So basically you need to pay for this game before actually downloading it in your device. So in order to make the payment, add the game in your cart and then click on the option of view my cart. Now in your cart, simply select the option of continue to payment, select the payment method from the given in this list, and then provide your billing information that includes your first name, last name, your address, your country, etc. After filling these details, press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to review your details that will include all of these details that you have entered. And once everything is correct, you need to simply just make the payment. Now, once you have made the payment, you will be redirected on this page again, where instead of the in-cart option, you will now see the download option. So if you see the download option here after the successful purchase, you need to click on that, select your disk and press the install button. Now, once this game is successfully installed in your device, you will be able to easily play it with the help of your Steam powered launcher. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. If you have any questions, you can also do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.